So you've purchased your first set of Buugeng. Exciting. Why don't you take them out and let's learn how to spin together. This will be you very soon. If you're a Star Trek fan, you're going to want to hold the live long and prosper position from Spock and the Vulcans. Now we're going to use this new Vulcan grip, and we're going to bring the top 2 fingers together and the bottom 2 fingers together and use the thumb to keep pushing it slightly over its balance point so we can keep repeating that method. Over time, it's going to become more natural and you'll be able to pick up speed and be really fluid. Now let's see that from the other angle. Notice again, the top 2 fingers and bottom 2 fingers want to work together. I've seen some people spin between their pointer and index finger. However, I feel this way I have a lot more stability and control over my prop. That's why I prefer this way. Now from the front. For all beginners, I definitely recommend spinning with the blade and point of the Buugeng away from you at first. Otherwise, you might hit yourself in the face or eye. I learned this the hard way. So, just turn it around and begin spinning it in the other direction so you get practice going both ways. And if you do happen to hit yourself with the Buugeng going this way, it's not really that big of a deal. It doesn't hurt very much at all. As long as you remember this when you're first learning, you'll avoid a lot of injuries. Be patient, practice in a mirror when possible, and happy spinning.